Hey everyone, in this video I'll share the best free movie apps for Android TV in 2026. All of these are completely free to use, no subscriptions required, and they work great straight out of the box on any Android TV device. If you find this guide useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Let's jump right in. 1. Tubi TV. Tubi TV is one of the best free movie apps available on Android TV and has one of the largest free streaming libraries around. It offers thousands of movies and TV shows across every genre, all supported by light ad breaks rather than a subscription fee. The interface is clean, content loads quickly, and new titles are added regularly. If you only install one free movie app on your Android TV, make it Tubi. 2. Pluto TV. Pluto TV combines free on-demand movies with a live TV experience, giving you more than most free apps offer. It has a solid catalog of films organized into easy-to-browse categories, as well as dedicated movie channels that run content around the clock. No account is needed to get started, and the streams are consistently reliable. A fantastic all-in-one free option that works brilliantly on Android TV. 3. Plex. Plex offers a generous free tier that gives Android TV users access to thousands of movies and TV shows with no subscription required. The interface is one of the most polished you will find among free streaming apps, making browsing and discovering new content a smooth experience. It also doubles as a media server if you have your own film collection you want to organize and stream. A premium feel without the premium price tag. For Stremio is a powerful free streaming app that works exceptionally well on Android TV. It acts as a hub for dozens of add-ons, letting you pull in content from multiple sources all within one clean interface. Installing add-ons like Torrentio and Comet gives you access to an enormous library of movies in multiple quality levels, including 4K, one of the most versatile free movie apps you can have on your Android TV. 5. Kodi. Kodi is a free open-source media player that transforms your Android TV into a fully featured streaming powerhouse. With the right add-ons installed, it can serve up an almost unlimited library of free movies from sources all around the web. It takes a bit more time to set up compared to other apps on this list, but the flexibility and control you get in return is unmatched. Worth the effort for anyone who wants the most powerful free movie setup possible. 6. Peacock. Peacock offers a solid free tier on Android TV that includes a decent selection of movies alongside news, sports, and TV shows. The free content is ad-supported, but the ad load is reasonable and the streams are smooth and stable. The catalog is updated regularly, and the app itself is well optimized for the Android TV interface. A great addition to your lineup if you want a legal, reliable, free option backed by a major network. That wraps up the best free movie apps for Android TV in 2026. Mix and match. A few of these and you will have access to more free content than you could ever get through, all without spending a penny.